Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Glossybox for July. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so July's Glossybox just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Glossybox, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, you guys, I got 2 of them delivered. It was a logistics error, and so for that, one of these is going to go to one of you guys. So if you want to go ahead and watch what is going to be inside of this box, and if you are interested in receiving it for yourself, then at the end I will tell you how this one could be maybe one of yours. So we'll get in that to the end. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what this is going to be. They always send it in a box, and this is down inside, so I remove that so it makes it easier, but I haven't opened the actual box yet. I did notice though, not only does this look like a treasure chest, which is super cute, it has these, oh my gosh, look at these, look at the shells and how they're like shiny. They almost look like a 3D effect. Like this one looks like it's just sitting on my box. This is absolutely beautiful. And then look, it opens like this. If I can get my finger under there, it opens this way and there's a magnetic closure. I have never seen Glossybox do a box in this type of a shape, but I'm so excited to get this, and I'm actually excited that they sent me 2 because one of you guys gets to enjoy this as well. You guys know I always save their boxes, but when they do a limited edition, I am so over the moon excited about it. And this one is just a completely different new design, and I'm so excited. So enough about the box, even though it looks just like a treasure chest. Let's go ahead and get inside and see what's gonna be inside of the, oh my gosh, it's even prettier inside too with that picture. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful box. Wow. Okay, so right on top is going to be a little brochure, and this should talk about the products inside. Yes, it will go over all the products inside, and it will give us the pricing for them. And then here is the presentation. They have the little sticker, and they do have a ribbon, and that's, it's a light load in here this time, so I don't want it to just pull. So there's the ribbon. I always keep the ribbons too. You never know when you need a ribbon. You never know when you'll need one, but I always keep them. So that's really neat. I keep the box, I keep the ribbon, and then there's also products inside. So let's go ahead and see what the presentation is gonna look like. There's a little sneak peek to inside the box. Super excited. I already see a product I'm really excited about, and that's this right here. This is probably the cheapest item in the box, and I'm really excited to see. We got a sheet mask, and it's pearlies. It's super cute because it's like a beach theme. You see like the seaweed and that kind of thing. That is so cute. It's a blue lotus plus seaweed treatment sheet mask. So let's go ahead and read about this. This is $6. The sun can really dry and dehydrate your skin, especially in the peak of summer. Formulated for all skin types, including sensitive skin, this mask contains blue lotus, seaweed, mulberry, and anise fruit to combat dryness, inflammation, irritation, and redness. This is the full-size product, again valued for $6. After cleansing, go ahead and apply the mask, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, pat in the remaining essence, and you're good. I absolutely love sheet masks, you guys, so I'm super excited about that. Then the next thing, going with like the same color theme, this is super pretty. I love the green. I love the teal, like a seafoam green color. It reminds me of the beach. This is a full-size product. Let me remove the plastic. Plastic removed. This is what they look like. There's little speckles. I don't know if you're gonna see that. You can see like there's little speckles in the design of it as well. And then this is like a greenish blue, it's like a green, and then this has like the teal, and then the brushes are like a teal color as well. The bristles, the hairs, that is super cute. I actually like the way that they look, and I love those colors. So this right here says this is a full size. It says Divine Duo Set, valued for $34. This beautiful sea green set includes an angled brush and a blending brush. Again, valued for $34. This is Elena Badro, I think you might say it like that. Create the perfect eye look by defining your brows and blending your shadow. So that is really neat. And you get, these two are valued for $34. I just love the colors. That would have been cool to get like a whole set like this because I love those colors, but you got two of them right here. So you have blending, and then you have like a more of a brow brush. So there's those two products right there. The next thing is going to be in here. This is a Verso eye cream. I believe I've received this brand before and I actually did enjoy it, so I'm glad to see it. This is a deluxe mini 7 mil. This is valued for $21. The full size is a 20 mil and that is valued for $60, and you can find this at lookfantastic.com. This rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthier hydration level for soft, smooth, and subtle skin. It owes its property to a combination of fermented oat and hyaluronic acid boosting yeast extracts. And it does say, a pro tip, gently apply a thin layer around your eye area morning and night. Very simple. And this is a good size for an eye cream because a little dab will do you. And I really like that. I love being able to put an eye cream on at night and then I put like a face moisturizer. So I do like that there's an actual eye cream in here for the sensitive eye area. So let's keep on going, you guys. So now we have is a volumizing dry shampoo. This is a travel size valued at $3.99. Put some oomph back into your locks with this dry shampoo. Great for when you are on the go and need a quick refresh. Made with collagen complex and clean fill formula, removes oil, leaving your hair bouncy, beautiful, and volumized. Again, valued for $3.99. And if you guys do follow me, you know I don't really use any type of hair products like this, so I always save them for you guys. So I will go ahead and put this in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. Now, I do have one last item in here, and I did get a message stating that the book will show one product, but they ran out of that by the time that they sent my box. So I'm assuming that'll be for the second box as well. So some people would have received a full-size Cleo Noir, the eyeshadow duo, and it has those two different colors right there. That is actually valued at $16. When they do substitute a product, it's always the same value. So this is probably valued at $16 or around $16. What I received, and I'm actually more excited about, is a Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Now, I'm normally not excited about blush, but a little 2 eyeshadow palette, I probably wouldn't have been excited about. I always grab my big palettes, not the smaller ones, to be honest. So there's what the packaging looks like. That's what it looks like out of the box. It says Matchmaker is the color of it. And then when you open it up, ooh, it's like a baked little, looks like a little pillow. It looks like a little pillow just sitting there. But it looks like it would be like a more of like a baked blush. But that is really pretty. So we have a Ciate London. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you. So there's the color just on my finger. And then if I were to put it across my hand, you see the pink right there. So very, very pretty. It's not like a bright pink or anything like that. So I think this is a really pretty color for all skin tones. So I do actually enjoy that. So that is everything that came in this July box, you guys. Going over a quick recap, I got the substitute of the Ciate London blush, or you would have got the full size duo eyeshadow by Cleo Noir, one of the two. I have a 2-piece brush set. You have an eye cream. You have a face mask, and then you have a dry shampoo. And don't forget, you have a ribbon that you can repurpose. You have this really amazing box that you can repurpose and reuse, and there's free shipping. So all of that included is what you get with this July box, you guys. Okay, so if you would like a little bit more information about Glossybox, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own link that is down below. If you follow that link, you will get your very first box for only $1 if you purchase a 12-month subscription. So if you do the whole 12 months, your very first box is only $1 if you follow that link. 1 month, if you do box per box, it's $21 per box, but you can get it as low as $18 a month if you do the 12-month subscription, and the first one would be $1. You can cancel and pause at any time. You have free international shipping, and that's what I really, really love about Glossybox. You have free international shipping, so wherever you live, you can get this box delivered to you, and you're not paying anything extra, and you get this box wherever you are. You always get 5 products with a guaranteed worth of $70 or more. I believe this one is valued at $80 or higher. And again, you get the box, you get the ribbon, and you get some 5 products to test out, try out, and all of that good stuff. Plus, if you are an actual subscriber, you have access to their limited edition boxes, their advent calendars, all of the other little things that they do, and you get those cheaper being an active subscriber. So there's a lot of perks being with Glossybox, you guys. I absolutely love all of the different things that they do. They have their own skincare line as well. If you wanted to check them out, they have their whole line all on their own. That is Glossybox made skincare products. You can get a lot of different things. So again, I will link them all down below if you would like to check them out. Okay, you guys, so they did, again, they sent me 2. It was a complete mistake. It wasn't intentional by any means, but for that reason, I want to take this opportunity to pass this down to one of you guys. So this one I did not open. I mean, I'll show you now that everything is all included. How do you, oh, it would help if I opened it on the right side of the box. So everything is still all down inside of here, all sealed. Everything is all good to go inside of this box. So whoever receives this will be able to tell if they have the Ciate London product, which I'm going to assume is in here because I got that one too. So if you are interested in getting this box for yourself, then the same simple rules that I do for all of my giveaways. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to those that are here actively and positively supporting me on my channel. Number 2, give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below, and in that comment put sharing is caring. That's my motto. I love to share with you guys, so I'm so glad that they made this mistake because then I get to share this box with you guys. So put one comment down below that says sharing is caring. You can put as many comments as you would like, but only one entering in for the giveaway to make it fair for everybody, because I will use a random comment picker to cipher through those comments that say that. And then you must have a United States address for me to mail it to. I don't care where you live, as long as I am actually mailing it and paying for a US delivery address. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Again, same simple rules. Subscribe, be a subscriber, like, leave one comment down below, and have a United States address, and also be over the age of 18, or have somebody that is over the age of 18 to enter in for you, so I'm communicating with an adult to get addresses and that kind of thing. I will have this run for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will have a random comment picker cipher through the comments that says sharing is caring. And if you are the winner that it comes up with, I will then comment back to your comment saying congratulations, you are the current winner. You have 48 hours to respond. If you do not respond within the 48 hours, I will need to choose a new winner. The new winner will have the same rules, 48 hours, and so on and so forth, until I get that confirmed win. Down below in the description box, it will have the official rules. It'll have the official end date in case there's any questions. And when this is over, it will say congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm, or it will say confirmed. If it still says have 48 hours to confirm, then hold tight. I might need to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you. But I do giveaways quite often to show my appreciation, so always check back or look for another one. That is everything, you guys. So comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.